Before you begin, remove the rubber feet, the top cover, the large fan, the M.2 absorber rear I/O bracket assembly, the small fan, and the thermal module. Removal. Disconnect the power button board cable from the motherboard. Remove the two P1 Phillips head screws that secure the power button board to the motherboard. Lift the power button board up off of the alignment pin and tab on the rear cover and remove. Replacement. Place the power button board on the alignment pin and tab on the rear cover. Replace the two P1 Phillips head screws that secure the power button board to the motherboard. Connect the power button board cable to the motherboard.